What's up, traders? So let's do a full breakdown of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, before I begin the full analysis, you can join my free Telegram channel. The link is below this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more analysis like this. With that said, let's start with higher time frame to see a bigger picture in the market. Now, analyzing the market structure on the monthly time frame, what you see that gold currently in a bullish momentum. Now, if you see the previous month's candlestick pattern here, what you saw that there is a strong bullish candle followed by this month the price came here, retraced enough, and then what we see again, bulls are pushing the price high. So current month, 5 days to go, the price is still in the bullish side. So with that said, on the monthly we have a bullish momentum. At the same time, if you analyze this market structure, this is a bullish structure. When you see a structure like this after this long move, like if you draw this one, this pole, and this is a symmetrical triangle, then normally what is likely to happen, that this instrument likely to break to the upside. This is the bullish market structure, symmetrical triangle. Now at the same time, if you see the low of this triangle, there is a false breakout to the downside. So normally if you see a structure like this is a bullish structure. In that case, you might see a false breakout to the downside and then finally breaking to the upside. So this is the upside is the trend side, and downside is where the false breakout happens. So normally this is what we have got here, false breakout. Now we can expect this instrument to break to the upside finally to the trend. So this is the bigger picture. Now let's see on the lower time frame how we can find a short term trading opportunity. Going down to the weekly time frame, what we see that previous week, back to back 3 weeks, starting with this a bullish candle without almost no week at the bottom, back to back 3 weeks the price is rising. That is what I predicted in my previous analysis. You can check it out to see how it worked out. Now at this point, what you see at the same time, gold has created a very important structure here. There is a double bottom here. So if you closely look, that you will see a double bottom. So when you see a double bottom, what you can see that the price is likely to drop here to test this previous resistance as a support. Now let's draw this, and we might see a test of this level before gold breaking this upward trend line. Now let's go down to the daily time frame to see what kind. So let me show you first why I draw this line. If you see that this is a very important level of resistance here, resistance here with this red candle, there is, it has created this resistance. Now what you see with this green candle, the resistance is broken. Now we might see or may not see a test of this resistance as a support and then likely to go up. Now let's see on the daily time frame how we can justify this analysis. Now at the same time, let's draw this long term trend line to see how gold is moving. Now this is the long term trend line that gold is likely to break or may not break. So this is where the puzzle comes. Then how we can trade, let's find out. Now if gold is managed to break this trend line, this will be huge move. Now let's go down to the 4 hour and find out how we can trade. Now what we see that now currently this is the line where you see long term trend line, and currently gold is creating a reversal pattern here. So this is the reversal pattern to the downside. Okay, so we might see from here a drop breaking all this structure to the downside, testing this resistance as a support, and may we see a going to the upside. So at this point, gold is trading in a very narrow range where the price is now here, it's not a good idea to go long, because you see that the price is approaching this very, very important level of resistance. Then how we will be approaching this instrument? At this point, we will be waiting for this gold to come to this level to test this, long term resistance as a support. If it managed to come here and create a structure or candlestick pattern that will tell us that this instrument will go rise, then we will take a long trade. On the other hand, if this instrument managed to break this trend line from here, then we'll be waiting for a retest of this trend line, because this is acting as a resistance, should be testing as a support before moving to the upside. This is the two situation that we will be going along with the gold. Otherwise, we will be waiting the sideline to see how new market structure is forming. Now, if you are following me and subscribing to my channel, then I will update soon wherever you are following me. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.